Right. Good morning, students. This is Mohan Mukhya from Adilabad district, Physical Sciences subject. Human eye and colorful world. Yesterday we see human eye and colorful world. Look here. In that second video is there. Before two concepts we just spoken. This is third concept. What is that? Apart from these layers, it consists of, apart from that layers which we have spoken yesterday, today not only that layers, I mean scleroid and choroid, not only that layers, parts are there. Nearly 8 parts contained by eye. 8 parts contained by eye. Look here, what are they? First part cornea, second part iris, third part pupil, fourth part ciliary muscle, fifth part eyelid, sixth part retina, seventh part blind spot, and eighth part optic nerve. Now we need to speak about these parts of eye. Clearly we can understand the process of eye. Look here, first part cornea, where it is located colorfully I drawn for you. Please observe this figure neatly. Where the parts are located in our eye. Where the parts are located in our eye. This first layer is called scleroid. Inner layer is called choroid. Outer layer is scleroid or sclera. Inner layer is choroid. After that, look here. Outer layer, smallly bulged part is here. Smallly bulged part. This bulged part name is cornea. I will write bulge for identifying purpose. Bulged. Cornea is little bulged. Our eye. So this is called cornea. Inside of cornea, one fluid there. That fluid name is aqueous humor. Upside down. Aqueous humor. After that, we have one small dark place, one small dark ball. That small dark part name is pupil. Pupil. I written down. After that, look here. Lens. Eye lens. Eye lens. Okay. Eye lens. After that, one liquid there. This liquid name is vitreous humor. Vitreous humor. And this part is called, not only up here, this also. This inner side part is called, inner side layer is called retina from inside. Retina from inside. And this pupil is captured between two irises. Iris, upper iris and lower iris, both are catching pupil, and this is called ciliary muscles, where the lens is catched caught by upper ciliary muscle and downal ciliary muscle. Both ciliary muscles are catching lens. Very clear now. We need cornea. What is cornea? It is white part of eye. White part of eye. White part. And act as window to world. When you close the eye cornea, you can't see the world. That's why we written here, act as window to world. And look here, cornea I drawn here also. Smallly, little bulged part. And here iris, second part. What is second? Iris. Look here. Iris is catching the pupil. Already I told you. Here, iris, it is colored part and hold pupil. It is colored part, not white part. Colored part and hold pupil. It is holding the pupil. Why it is holding? What it is doing? Look here. After holding, adjust the size of it. I mean pupil size. Adjusted by irises. So irises are adjusting the size of pupil according to light intensity. If light intensity more, irises catch tightly. If light intensity is less, they will catch loosely. So here, when light is more, pupil size becomes small. When light intensity is more, then pupil size becomes small. When light intensity is less, then pupil size becomes big. When light intensity is less, then pupil size becomes big to receive all the light rays inside. Right. Then after, now we can see pupil. What is pupil? Ciliary muscles. Right. Look here. Again, now pupil. What is pupil and where it is located? How it is working? It is black in color. Already I told you. It is black in color and observe all light rays. Which light rays falls on it? It observes all light rays. Which light rays falls on it? It constricted. It constricted when light intensity is high. It constricts when light intensity is high. It expanded when light intensity is low. Pupil is adjusted between irises. One iris, down iris. Between of two irises, pupil is adjusted. And when light intensity is more, look here, light intensity is more and light intensity is less, both adjustment can done by irises. They will constrict means making small to the pupil. Light rays when low light is there, then pupil can expand. Meaning is that pupil becomes big. Pupils become big when light rays are low. And here, look here, ciliary muscle. Why pupil becomes constricted and expanded, we will speak after. Ciliary muscle. What is ciliary muscle? How it is made up of? Look here. It holds ciliary muscles here. Okay. Look here. Already you know this eye here. This is called ciliary muscles. This is also the ciliary muscles. Look here. This here also ciliary muscles. Here also very clear ciliary muscles. So here ciliary muscles holds the lens. Eye lens can hold by ciliary muscles, and Ciliary muscles, when catching eyelids, they are adjusting the eyelids. Ciliary muscles are adjust the focal length of lens. Focal length can adjust by ciliary muscles. Are you understanding? Focal length of this lens can adjust by ciliary muscles. Focal length definition also we will need. Look here, distance between object and center point. Look here, center point. This is center point. Center point of lens. Center of lens or center point of lens. Distance between object, for example, object A is here. This and this. Distance between center point of lens and object is called focal length. And here, far object, where the distance objects focal length will increase. When object distance is more, then focal length can increase. When the object is near, focal length can decrease. We will speak again clearly in eye defects. Look here, convex lens. Next concept. What is convex lens? Look here, convex lens is a cellular structure resembling convex lens. This convex lens, it is a cellular structure resembling like a convex lens. Resembling like a convex lens. I mean similar like a convex lens. But it is made with cells. This convex lens, I mean that lens is made with cells. And how it is working? Look here. It is converging the light rays to form clear image on retina. This eye lens is converging all light rays on retina to form clear image. Three rays are going. They are converging here. Look here at one place. To form clear image of object. Okay.